Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious easy recipe. It's called Cajun Étouffée. So you have some butter in there. You can either brown it first with the étouffée base, or just add water like I'm doing. So I'm adding 2 cups of water, and then I'll add the Cajun Étouffée, stir it and let it cook on low heat. Once that is done, I've got it this creamy texture. I add my shrimp and I cook for a little bit more till the shrimp is done. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna eat it with rice. You can eat anything you want, but it's very easy, delicious recipe. Easy recipe for the family, and serving mine with rice. If you like this recipe, please comment below, and I'll put the description of the recipe ingredients in the description below. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.